Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for free. That when people scan it, it's going to take them to a specific location in Google Maps. First, we're going to generate your code. On internet, you find many pages that do it for free. But in this video, we're going to use Canva. So we're going to go to canva.com and the window will be open. As you might know, Canva is used to create many presentations, images, and in this case, QR codes. Now here we're going to click on create a design. And then at the bottom we're going to click in custom size. Here we're going to type 1080 by 1080. And then we're going to click on create new design. This is going to take us to a new window where we can find a blank square. Here we can create the QR. Now on the left we're going to see apps. We're going to click on it and we're going to search for QR code. You're going to click on QR code and here is going to appear some options. We're going to choose the first one and let's click open. Now you have to copy and paste the link of the location you already choose. So go to Google Maps. Here I already have my location. Click on the three dots that appear and copy link. Go back to your Canva window and here you're going to paste the link that you already copied. Generate code. And here we have the code. It's better if you put it as bigger as you can. So let's fix it. You can move it as you want, to the left, to the right, to the center. And when you have it ready, go up to the share button. Now here we're going to click on download and then download again. And it is going to start downloading on your computer. Here, no thanks. And when the download is ready, it will let you know. Let's click on it and your QR code will open. Now I want to check if the QR code works. I'm going to go to my phone. Let's open the camera and let's scan it. And there you go. Here is your location QR. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.